Violet Light Lantern. Making a violet lantern is a great way to recycle an old milk bottle. Using a glue stick, cover the entire milk bottle with assorted dark and light purple tissue paper. You don't have to stick the paper on neatly. The messier your design, the better. Nearly there! Violet wears a tutu, so use white foam cut into strips and stick them all around the middle of your bottle, just like a tutu. Looking cheeky! Now for some yellow stars. Stick on foam star shapes to your bottle to match the top of Violet's wand. Violet also wears a tiara on the top of her head, so ask a grown-up to help you cut out a tiara shape from your leftover white foam and secure the ends together with masking tape. Add a blue star and sit this on top of your bottle lid. Insert fairy lights, turn off your lamps and watch your violet lantern glow.